This is my neighbour's Porsche, the 944, absolutely glorious. There she is. I have missed you, my little darling. Hey guys, and welcome to another video. There is my Abarth 124 Spider. If you are new to the channel, let's turn her on. I mean, come on. Let's take a closer look. Custom OZ, custom carbon fibre, lowered, plus 25mm spacers on the back. Let's go. All right, let's do it. Gotta love the car. So noisy. Probably should respect the neighbours, but so today, guys, we are off to Rtec, the vehicle modifications garage. They tune a lot of awesome cars. They've never tuned an Abarth 124 Spider. We're going to be talking about arch rolling, lowering, maybe even more on coilovers, custom exhausts, and much more. So stay tuned, keep watching. All right, let's go. This annoying, well, I suppose it's good. We've got a little gate here. If you've been watching my other videos, you've probably seen this a million times. So cue the time lapse. Oh, I do love a Range Rover overfit. Now, according to the sat nav, it is somewhere around here, right next to Honda, Nissan. There it is, Renault. Excited. You gotta love the camo bottoms, haven't you? Here we go. Here's the car. It's absolutely filthy, so forgive me. Yeah, here we are. Rtec Auto Design. Let's go in. Very nice. Revere. Yes, that is going to look awesome. So, I have just had a very interesting chat with the guys there, Rtec. Shout out to Blade if you're watching this. Really excited, because what we're going to do is we're going to get a custom Akrapovic back box on the back of there. We're going to get the spacers fitted on the front. Currently running plus 25mm on there. Don't know if you can see it. And 4 degrees of camber. No, you can't see it. But yeah, we're gonna get this bad boy going. I can't wait. I'm very excited. Anyways, I will see you on the next one. But if this is the first time you're watching, then shout out to Rtec, who've got me a few ideas around how we can get this car summer ready. If you're watching this and thinking, you know, what is he up to? Basically what we're doing is we're gonna get this arch rolled. so there's no rubbing. We're going to look at the front. We're going to add 20 mil to the front. Volvo 360 LT. Anyways, have a look at that. Let me know what you think. I personally like the extra cam, but they've just told me that the BMW M3 has got 3 degrees of camera as standard, so actually this being 4 degrees is not that bad. And so what we're going to do is we're going to sort the handling out, and then with the exhaust here, we're going to add 4 Akrapovic carbon fibre tailpipes. No silencer. It's going to sound sick. I cannot wait. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.